Hello students, it's time to learn some chemistry now. I shall move on to chapter 3, atoms and molecularities, and the very first topic here is law of conservation of mass. Let's discuss this topic today. All of you must have gone through the definition of the law as it is very important, and some of you must have been trying to memorize the definition also, isn't it? Okay. But we have to discuss and we have to understand the concept behind the law, isn't it? Simple memorizing won't help. Now, the law itself is very simple. What does it say? It says that if there is a chemical reaction, let's say we have two quantities A and B, and they are reacting to produce, let's say, C and D. Alright? So, in a chemical reaction, the mass in the reactant side, this side in chemistry, in chemical equations called a reactant side, and this side is called a product side. So what it says, the mass in the reactant side and the mass in the product side should be equal. That means if I say I have a 50 gram here, this side also I should have 50 gram. Right? The other way to put this thing, the mass is never created nor destroyed. Right? What it simply means is that this 50 gram will become 50 gram. There is no loss, there is no more creation also. एको क्रिएट हुआ ना एको डिस्ट्रॉय हुआ ना 50 ग्राम to 50 ग्राम हुए से. So that is law of conservation of mass in simple words. Alright, you must have understood this one. But wait, there is a twist in the story. This is very interesting. Just try to understand. I'm going to give an example. Let's say your current weight is 40 kg. Alright, and suppose today you're going to consume 1 kg of food. Alright, the food enters your body. Is your mass going to be 41 kg tomorrow? Right? The law says that the mass is never created nor destroyed. So that 40 kg plus your original 40 kg plus 1 kg from food, that should give you 41 kg. Mass is never lost. The question is, are you going to be 41 tomorrow? Think about it. Answer is obviously no. Right? Let's deal with one more. Let's take the very first chemical reaction of your life. Hydrogen and oxygen reacts together to produce water. Water formula is H2O. Right? Now you have to calculate the masses over here. 9B is learning this thing. 9A people थोड़ा सा आपको प्रॉब्लम होगा, but 2 atoms of hydrogen will give you 2 into 1 2 gram, let's say gram, and 2 atoms of oxygen will give you 2 into 16, that will give you 32. So my total here becomes 34, right? But here I have a 2 atoms of hydrogen will give you 2, but I have 1 atom of oxygen only, right? It's 1 atom, right? So 1 atom of oxygen will give you 16, so my total will become 18. Mass in the reactant side is 34, mass in the product side is 18. Mass over here and mass over here according to the law should be equal, but here they are not equal, right? So my question is the reaction wrong? What will happen to the reaction, right? So I want you people to discuss about this, think about it. Alright, whatever questions are not answered, I have not answered here, I'll try to discuss in the next class. Okay, please think about these two questions. One is this one, the reaction. Other is that food example that I have given. 40 kg plus 141, it should be 41 kg. That example, think about that one, and think about this reaction also. Try to get the solutions. I'll discuss in the next class.